Angela, Jamie.
But she said Samson's okay.
Hi there.
Oh, I know this ain't him. He's 85. You sure his name is Jason Simpson?
So tired. Yeah.
Well,
Look at the camera.
He's a little camera shy.
Dexter. Jason A. Simpson, but it doesn't say where.
He was found in Old Sugar Creek Road.
He was found on that Lexi. It's supposed to be.
I think Gwen's wanting to ask you
Doris's,
questions about that girl.
Granddaughter.
Yeah.
They just found her dead.
Alexi, is that just a friend?
Where was she found at?
Sugar Creek Road.
He was found on
No
Sugar
shit.
Creek Road dead last week.
I think I heard about that. About somebody being found dead.
Lexi had to identify his body.
Was it Old Sugar Creek or New Sugar Creek, or you know?
I think it was Old Sugar Creek.
But when they
Hi
going to do
there.
an autopsy?
No. I don't know.
I don't know a lot of them, but none of them have the daughter.
Not doing anything. You okay?
I don't know. Let's see.
I'm gonna have to charge you for taking pictures.
You okay, little guy?